Go to book.
Gotta set it up.
God, don't grab him. Go here, go here. Go back, get going, get going. This out. There you go. Keep your weight on the inside leg. Punch. Hands up, Will. Don't drop him. Hands up, Cherry. Keep him up. Keep him up. Move your feet. Move your feet. Hold up, Cherry. Oh. Go. Keep the hands a little bit lower. Hands a little bit lower. They're too high. Too high. Keep the hands up underneath. Next one up. Let's go, Cherry. You next. Punch extend. Elbows in tight. Thumbs up.
Well, you know, as an offensive line, we kind of came in with a behind the eight ball a little bit, being numbers and everything, coming in with a few nicks and bruises starting out. But we've started out well. Surprisingly, we've done a lot of good things to start out technique-wise. There's a lot of things we got to continue to work on and grow as a unit. We got a young group. We got one senior leader with Clint Marsh. And we're asking a lot of these young guys to step in and be accountable, you know, be able to come in and give us some significant reps and get better. Because, again, this team going offensive line, I'm a firm believer in that, and that's the responsibility I'm placing on my guys. And so, you know, we're doing some drills to work on the technique and the fundamentals. I'm placing a lot of responsibility on them as far as the things that they have to know and learn and be able to communicate across the board, communicate to me, communicate to the teammates on the field and off the field, on the sideline when it comes to making sideline adjustments. So it's a lot I'm throwing at them, but so far they've adjusted pretty well and they've accepted everything and accepted the challenge. And again, we still got some growth to do. We're not there yet, but the start has been good so far. We just got to continue to grind.
Coach, I've noticed that the tempo has been a lot faster than it's been recently. Is that helping out?
It is. And again, the guys are starting to buy into it a little bit. They understand that the tempo is going to help us as far as finding the mismatches, finding the misalignments on the defense, and also just getting everybody on the offense side of the ball ready to go, ready to come off the ball and strike and attack with violence and doing things between the whistles. It's an attitude. And, again, just trying to get that instilled in the offensive line and having that continue to roll through the whole offensive unit. We'll become a better unit with that.